Hey guys, welcome back to another curly hair tutorial. This one's actually quite simple and it's probably gonna take less than 2 minutes. So first things first, we're using Shea Moisture, the Curling Enhancing Smoothie, the coconut and hibiscus one. If you don't know, go ahead and try it out. It smells so good. I'm just brushing that enhancing smoothie through my curls to get it nice and brushed out, and I'm just parting the hair with my fingers, nothing special, half of my head, and I'm just gonna put that in a ponytail. I'm not gonna brush it or anything, wow. And just put it in a ponytail, and literally that's it. Couldn't be more simple. And I'm just going to brush the back a little bit so I can get the curls a little bit more defined. I definitely should have probably used gel to kind of weigh the curls down a little bit more. But that's okay. Still came out cute. And then of course we have to use our gummy edge control and just slay those edges for real. That's really what makes the hairstyle, the edges. So make sure your edges are laid. And honestly, that's it. That was it for this tutorial. Very cute, simple, takes like 3 minutes. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. And thanks for watching.